I received my box and it has this mark here. I'm hoping that the product is still okay and the advent calendar is still good in there. But I just wanted to show you my Revolve advent calendar. My box, nicely packaged with these Air Plus by Satora packs. And it is a box in a box, so that makes me feel more at ease because whatever this is didn't go through and it's not coming from my product. So good packaging, Revolve. Alright, I'm so excited, guys. This is my Revolve Advent Calendar for 2024. Here's the stickers on the box. Fragile, please handle with care. Thank you. Alrighty. She is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It is a briefcase. A briefcase? The Ultimate Beauty Essential Set. 24 Days of Revolve Beauty. The Ultimate Beauty Essential Set. 24 Days of Revolve Beauty. So here's the opening. It is made very well. Okay. Let's open it. Oh, oh, I love the colors. Just closes back up. Oh wow, I love the colors. This is gorgeous. It's a nice size.